Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to another video. I am doing a set for somebody's birthday today. I'm super excited with how this turned out as well. So I'm probably not going to explain too much how I did this because everything I'm doing is very much self-explanatory. But here is the reference photo that she gave me. She didn't have any other further instructions. She just like, this is what I want for my birthday. Can you recreate it? And I'm like, yeah. So here's what I did. This set was very simple in the sense that I only had to use a few different colors and then a couple of charms. She kept it simple for her birthday, but I think overall it turned out super cute. So with that being said, yes, I do custom orders. If you guys want to get a custom order from me, you guys can go to my Etsy, read the instructions, and we can discuss a custom set for you. But I'm not going to talk much longer. Just watch the video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Creator, comment je fais ça, comment je fais ça.
So guys, this is the final result. I'm going to put the picture back up here and you guys let me know. How well did I do? Did I replicate this pretty well, or does this, just kind of okay? I think it turned out really great, honestly. I'm really proud of myself and I hope that homegirl that bought this really likes it, and happy birthday to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!